the second video. Couldn't do it with one hand, so I had to stop the video. Got your blue one. Same deal like the other side on the black side. Slides into here. Right? Has a tab on the bottom of it. Push that tab in. You slide your pin off. Same thing with the green side. Then each of them have a black plastic tab right there. Pull that off. See, sometimes they stay together. So keep it on there. Keep it on there. That's all that holds those two in. Then you come around. Come up top. Right? Now you can kind of pull that up a little bit. Underneath for the climate control panel, you have your AC connector. This is the top one. It's the AC connector. The second one is your fan blower speed. Then your last one is this one right here, which is your fan setting one. Simple enough. There's a tab underneath for this back one. Push that tab in. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. So you can pull that back one off. Like that. Then you got this one, got a tab under there. Push that one slides off. And this one's the top one, which is the little tricky one. This tab actually slides down off of it. And then you pull this up. See if we can demonstrate that one. Has a tab on the top of it. You push that tab down and you turn the screwdriver. Show you. See that tab? See. Push that down and you turn the switch outward. Then you can pull the switch out like that. That rubber again. Goes. Push that down, pull this out, put that off to the side, and then this switch will push down. What I did was I put the flathead through in here, went over top of it, and pushed it down. That's out. Let's do these other ones. Pull that one right out. That one right out. Now you can pull your whole thing right out. There you have it. Now same deal. In reverse action, you do that same thing. Put the new one in, Run your black wire this way. Run it all the way through inside of there. Over the bar that way. Slide it right in. I hope that helps you guys out.